I spent hours editing this lecture video, but I need something quick and engaging to help grab attention on social media. Who has time to edit an entire lecture down into a bunch of short clips? Oh, and I have another class starting soon. With Media.io, condense your lectures, science demos, and educational content into multiple short clips with just one click. Media.io's video repurpose tool isn't just for lecture highlights. It's perfect for a variety of educational and content sharing needs. You can choose to have an AI intro or crop your video to a mobile device. Then you can select your preferred clip length. Once you have your videos generated, as you can see down here, you can upload directly to YouTube or YouTube Short. We can download or edit these videos by clicking Edit. Every video created by AutoClip appears here in the timeline. We can scroll through to review if everything looks good. To adjust the size, just drag these corners. Once everything looks good, click Export at the top left corner. Finally, choose a name. Save your video, and we're done. Keep your students and followers engaged with a constant stream of educational content, effortlessly converted from your full lectures with Media.io. Media.io can help you repurpose full lectures into targeted clips on each topic, making it easy for students to search and re-watch specific explanations as needed. Complex subjects don't have to be overwhelming. Media.io's tools help you zero in on the most important ideas, making sure your viewers don't miss a thing. Need to add some flavor? With audio tools, you can easily add music, sound effects, or even voiceovers. And if you want your videos to be heard loud and clear, subtitles are just one click away. Add personality with titles and stickers. Make your content pop and grab attention. Our transitions and effects bring movie-level magic to your videos in seconds. And for that final polish, filters let you set the perfect vibe from retro to modern. There's something for every style. For more specialized subjects like engineering, coding, or law, short clips can be essential in helping audiences understand key concepts.
Can you file a lawsuit in the form of a comic book? Well, the answer is apparently yes.
The first person to ever be photographed didn't know they were. In 1838, while Louis Daguerre took this famous exposure, they were getting a shoe shine.
During the Middle Ages, not everyone ate breakfast. Most of the people who ate breakfast were either laborers or sick people or children. And there's this wonderful 15th century school book where a student talks about how he ate breakfast as a kid. My breakfast was brought to my bedside as oft as me list to call therefore.
Today, I present the 5 biggest physics mysteries, according to me. Number 5. Einstein's theories don't forbid faster than light travel. We just don't know how to cross from speeds below the speed of light to above. Is it possible? And if so, how?
While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out all of the other AI tools on this website. There's so much to explore. There's also a bunch of templates on here that really remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really, really, really cool. So go check out what Media.io has to offer, and I'll see y'all next time.